to my channel. I wanted to show you guys the insides of our new luxury box sets. We have two new luxury box sets. We've got Black Cherry right here, and we've got Flower Power over here. And both of these box sets are under $20. It's a super deal. I kind of think of them as nice Gateway Posh, because you know how I feel about Gateway Posh. It's a great gift set for anybody. It's a great Mother's Day gift. It's a great gift for your bridal attendants. It's a great gift for a teacher. It's a great gift for yourself. Let's talk about what's included. So we've got Black Cherry and we've got Flower Power. We'll talk about Black Cherry first. So it's going to come with this mask packet, and this packet actually has enough to do at least 2, if not 3 masks. And it's got kaolin clay in it, cherry powder, witch hazel, tea tree oil. This is a great detoxifying mask. So this is the one you're going to want to pick up if you're looking for a detox. It's also going to have super scrumptious, and I say scrumptious smelling, a body wash and a body whip. And this is luxurious. It's such a wonderful little gift set. I love that it's travel size, so it's perfect to take on the go, and it's under $20, and so it's a wonderful gift. Now, Flower Power is the same thing. You're going to get a travel body wash, a travel body whip, and this same mask packet. Now, this mask is going to have olive oil, lavender essential oil, sage essential oil, hyaluronic acid. This is going to be the mask that you want when you want more renewal and moisture. This is going to be moisturize and soothe skin. This is what you're going to want to reach. Again, 2 to 3 uses. So, I mean, for under $20, you get 2 to 3 uses in a mask. You get a body whip that's going to last you more than a week-long trip, because you need very little to really, when you use Posh products, you need very little of everything. We don't use any fillers. We don't use any nasty gunk in our products. There's no parabens, no paraffins, no phthalates, no sulfates, no nasty gunk. And so you need very little product. It spreads on your skin very nicely and it absorbs, and it's effective. So I love these luxury box sets. They all come packaged in this pretty little box, and as you can see, this is about the size of my hand, I guess, and it comes really neatly packaged in there. So I love these gift sets. They are a must-have. If you want to pick up one of these gift sets, then march right over to jessicaposh.com and pick one up. And if you still haven't tried Posh, then get in touch with me. I love sharing Posh. So shoot me a message over on my Facebook business page, or shoot me a message right here through YouTube. Let me know what you're interested in. Check out jessicaposh.com, and let me know what products you want to try most, because I want you to be loving Posh. Have a great day, and thanks for watching.